Hello everyone, this is Fazal or Rahman here from codebook.in. Hope you're enjoying my videos. Today I brought you a project on cloud computing and the concept of the project is data duplication. Okay, so how we are going to detect duplicated data in cloud is the concept of the project. So this is the homepage of the project you can see. First of all, let me tell you what are the technologies we are using in this project. This project uses front-end technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And for back-end programming language, it uses Python programming. And we are using here the Django framework, which is the topmost framework to develop web applications in Python. For data storage purpose, right now we are using here MySQL. But this project I have also integrated with AWS. So if you, in case you are interested in AWS cloud real-time cloud integration of this project, that is also available with me. Let me know that. Okay. So to execute this project step by step, let us see. There are two different types of users are there. One is the cloud, another is a user. So for better execution purpose, I will execute these two different users in two different tabs. Assume that this tab is for cloud and I'll open a new tab for user. Now let's go to user and try to register a new user here. At the time of registration, kindly make sure that you provide correct details. Okay, valid email ID and valid phone number. Because we are using here SMS API and email API for sending the SMS and email. Profile picture, register. So this is the OTP page. Okay. Let us see whether the SMS is received or not. Yes, I have received the SMS. Now I will provide the OTP here 1581. Verify. Now account created successfully. Account is created. Let's try to log in here. But login will not happen because the account will be in pending state. Okay. Any user can come and use the services of the cloud. It's not like that. We have given the dependency to the cloud user such that the cloud will authenticate the user accounts. So let's go to cloud here and try to perform the authentication or account activation of this user. This is the cloud dashboard. Okay, cloud is an administrator here. Total users are 1 here. Total uploads are 0. Let's go to manage users and you can see there is a user here which is in pending state. Let's accept this user account such that now this user should be able to log in. Login successful. Okay. Now let's go to data storage. For storing the data, we can upload any type of data here like text files, PDF files, image files like that. Let's upload a file here. I'll upload a phase1 JPG file and I'll go to data storage and we'll try to upload another document file. Let's say about Python, upload file, code file I have uploaded. Let's go to data storage and choose file. Now I will try to upload a text file here. Upload file. Okay. Now let's try to upload another file which is of same name. Okay. Which already we have uploaded. Let's check it out whether this file the cloud will accept from the same user or not. It says data duplicated. Okay, the concept of the project is in the cloud storage, whether it's AWS or Google Cloud, okay, any cloud, Microsoft Azure, we are saying that data should not be duplicated of a same user. If same user uploads the same file, it should not be duplicated. That's the concept of the project. Now, let's go to data search. Yeah, we can search the data here. 3 different files are there, but this thing we'll do it in the from the next second user profile. Okay, this is the profile. Let's log out and create a new account for another user, and we'll perform the actions from there. Password, location, profile picture, register. Mobile number should be 10. What happened? Okay, register. Now again, OTP I will receive. I have received the OTP. Okay, 4192 here. Let's verify. And account is created successfully. Let's try to log in with this user. And login is success, but the account is not activated again. So let's go to cloud, manage users, and activate this user account. Now let's go to user login and try to perform login. Now it has to log in. Login successful. Okay. Now let's go to data search, and we have got so many files here. Let's say I want to search .txt files, and you can see there is a file. Now let's submit the download with OTP link. Okay, so the SMS has been sent. OTP for downloading the file, and the OTP is 906080. Verify. Status is in pending state. Okay, let's go to cloud here, view files, and user authentications for this file. And let's try to accept all these files from here. Okay, now let's refresh. OTP will be sent again. Okay, so the OTP is 993275. You can see the file is being downloaded here. This is the file. Okay, so in this way we can download the files, and this is a profile page. If you want anything, you can update here as well. And data storage, you can also upload any type of data. Like, let's try to upload this file. Uploaded successfully. Data storage again. This file, you can see it's uploaded because it's from different user. Same user should not upload the same file. Okay, that's the point. So this was a small project of a data duplication concept. With this, I conclude the project execution. Hope you got it. If you're getting any errors or if you have any issues, let's get back to me. The number has been given. You can ping me on WhatsApp as well. So thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye for now.